How to withdraw money from Steam account to PayPal. Now, first thing to be reminded, there is actually no way you can move your money from Steam to PayPal or any other services that you can use. But there is an actual alternative way to do this specific method in moving your Steam money to your PayPal. The alternative way is actually by purchasing a gift card and trading it to someone willing to exchange it with a real currency. Now to do that, just simply log into your Steam account and then go to Steam gift cards right here. And once you click on that, you'll just have to choose what specific card you want. And then once you click on a certain card, you will be routed to a purchase page in which you can search your friend's name, any messages that you want, and please don't forget to add your PayPal account or PayPal email address on where will the money be sending to. Now you just have to click on continue, and that's how, and that's the only way that you can withdraw money from your Steam account to PayPal.